Sponsorship at EXP Realty explained the right way. Most agents ruin their EXP Realty experience before they ever join because they choose the wrong sponsor. Your sponsor can actually change your entire career trajectory at EXP Realty. Here's what a sponsor actually does, what they do not do, and how to choose the right one. What a sponsor really is. A sponsor is defined as simply the person who influenced you the most to join EXP Realty first and foremost. They are not your boss, they're not your manager, they're here only to support you. You get to choose them, they don't get assigned to you. So here's what a great sponsor actually does. They give you weekly coaching and mentorship access. They give you systems, scripts, and accountability. They will give you training on lead generation and actually scaling your business so you can become a more profitable real estate sales agent. They will plug you into their community, give you collaboration and ongoing support. And they'll give you real life sales production knowledge that you can actually use to go out there and sell more homes. Here's what a sponsor does not do. They do not take a cut of your commissions unless it's a co-listing or a co-buying situation where you involve them directly with your client. They do not get control of your business. You're still the boss of your own business. They do not manage your transactions. And ultimately, they're not responsible for your own production. Success is up to you. They can hold you accountable, give you the resources, but at the end of the day, production is up to you. Here are the biggest sponsorship mistakes that an agent can make when coming over to EXP Realty. Number one, joining under someone that you barely know. If you don't know them as a friend, as a person, how can you even do business with them? So be careful with this one. That's the number one mistake. Number two, signing up without asking for their support structure. If you don't know actually what they do when you come over to EXP, you're going to be very surprised in a bad way. Number three, choosing hype instead of choosing the right leadership to go with. And what I mean by that is more often than not, I hear people that are overpromised a lot of things, and when in actuality, when they join, they're not getting the support and the leadership that they're really looking for. And number four, picking someone based on pressure instead of alignment. If you don't have any sort of alignment with somebody and pressure is all you feel, it probably isn't going to work long term. Think about it. You are partnering with that agent for long term. If you're joining EXP, you're trusting that person with your entire career. Think about alignment instead of pressure. Your sponsor impacts your entire upline. Your support network is not just one person. More than just the one direct sponsor that you'll have 6 more people that are supporting him or her as well. So it would be a good idea for you to interview all 6 of them that are supporting your direct sponsor also. The strength of this network of 7 people that are partnered with you can really make or break your EXP experience. You are essentially choosing the ecosystem that you're plugging into. So not only are you choosing a direct sponsor, you're choosing a network of people and agents that can support you with your whole entire EXP career. So choose carefully. If you feel the right energy with them, if you feel alignment with them, those are your people, because ultimately people join people, people don't join brokerages. So how do we choose the right sponsor? Here are some of the questions that you can ask. You can ask them, what are the resources that you provide? How often do they meet with their agents? How do they actually support their agents? What their upline provides for them as well. Ask who you get access to for coaching and mentorship. Also ask for examples of agents that they helped grow. The number one rule of EXP sponsorship: you're really seeking and picking support, not popularity. Pick alignment, not pressure. Pick mentorship and support, not marketing hype. Here's the bottom line. Your sponsor will actually shape your training, your support, and your growth. If you want to win at EXP, choose the person that will actually help you get to the next level, help you build a business, help you scale, not the person who just wants you to sign up so they can get a paycheck. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who's looking to interview EXP and picking the right sponsor.